Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install CM11384 high power up to 80 watts and HDMI video cable. So this is a bracket that goes to TNP150. This is a connector and there's a retaining clip right here that retains it in this clip. So I'm going to position it just like this, and the cable goes inside, and right in the bottom right here we're going to put a clip. And once I insert the clip right there, the connector is captured, and now everything is nice and secure. Notice that the part numbers are here on the top, so you want to install it with the part numbers on the top. Now I'm going to come back and put it right here, and you see it fits right away, it fits into this slot. If you want to put it in a different slot, let's just go ahead and remove it. Okay, the clip is right here. I'm going to remove it, put it in the bottom slot. Again, slide it to the back, and I'm going to put the clip right here. There's a clip, and the clip is going to go right into here. Once you insert the clip, it holds the connector in place, right there. Now it's in place. And then when I push it in here, it will come right to on the top location right here. Once this is done, just turn the unit over and install retaining screws, and you're back. Okay, and there's your part, there's your connector. There's one more screw you need to put in the back. I recommend magnetic screwdriver so you can retain the screw while you're putting it in. It doesn't fall down because it's all the way right here, this connection right here. Ideally, you're going to order this cable at the time you're ordering the TNP150, but if you need to do it in the field, that's how you do it in the field. Thank you.